all are fine. Let us begin the second lesson of this unit. This is a story titled as Amigo Brothers. This is written by Perry Thomas, an American writer. Let us have a glance about him. There is a brief profile about this writer in your textbook itself. Just look at your textbook and read about him. He was born in the year 1928 and died in 2011. He was a writer and poet. While spending 7 years in prison, Thomas reflected on the teachings of his mother and father and realized that a person is not born a criminal. So, this is actually a real picture about his thought. How did he watch, how did he notice the real friendship? Let us start the story. See, first of all, we have to we have to get this meaning of the word amigo. So the word amigo means friend. So this story, actually the word is Spanish. So here we are going to, in this story we are going to have two friends, very intimate friends. See, intimate friends or close friends we say sometimes, right? See, we call or we say such friends, or we say about some as good friends, giving them certain features. What actually we have everything, closely connected. Actually, we share everything, right? See, we'll be frank between each other, between such friends. Okay, so such close friends we have. So to them we openly speak anything and everything, right? So you all have certain friends like that. So you all know these types of friends actually. Now the relationship, between these friends actually very strong and tight. Okay, so here we are going to have such friends, such a relationship we are going to see in this story. So the story, we have two friends. Who are these two friends? They are namely Antonio and Felix. So these two friends, just you all have to read about them. Actually they were boxers, they were fighters, right? They wanted to achieve a particular goal in their life. They wanted to become the lightweight champion of the world. So both of them actually worked together. They wanted to achieve their goal. So let us see through the story. See first paragraph. Look at your textbook and read the first paragraph from Antonio Cruz, right, and Felix Vargas. First paragraph, you start up to the paragraph, their own next page, next side of the textbook. So from these, reading these paragraphs, you have a picture about these friends. Their physical appearance, right? See, both of them were very close, right? By appearance, they had difference. Actually, Antonio was fair, lean, and lanky. The word lanky means, right? Very thin-bodied, thin and tall. Got it? Then fair, lean, and lanky Felix was dark, short, and husky. Husky means fat. Okay, not tall. Got it. So this way, both of these friends, they were having different appearance, bodily appearance, right? Antonio's hair was always falling over his eyes, while Felix wore his black hair in a natural afro style. So afro style, you all know. So Felix had a different body appearance. Got it. Simply, you have to think this way. Antonio was tall. Got it? Whereas Felix was short. Right? Antonio was right lanky. Antonio was lanky and Felix was husky. So lanky and husky, these words you can have easily these points. This is very clear to you. Got it? Now each youngster had a dream of someday becoming a lightweight champion of the world. So they were having a particular goal in their life. They wanted to become the lightweight champion of the world. So what is their dream? To become the lightweight champion of the world. So for this, what actually they did? So every chance they had, the boys worked out, right? Sometimes at the boys club, sometimes at the gym, right? Early morning sunrises would find them running along the East River Drive. So sunrise will see them. Okay, would find them means they reach there very early. They reach there very early for their regular exercise practice. Got it? Then East River Drive, the place name. Okay. Then wrapped in sweat shirts. Wrapped, covered. W-R-A-P-P-E-D. Wrapped means covered. Got it? So sweatshirts, that shows their continuous work, right? So that was actually a sign of their regular exercise, hard work. Then while some youngsters were into straight negatives, here negatives means they didn't have such a goal. Okay, their peer groups we cannot find. Okay, writer says that we cannot see other friends, okay, in their age level having such positive goals, okay, or that way they were having. Okay, so these two friends, they were working with a type of goal, positive goal. So that is why there were others were negatives. Got it? Antonio and Felix slept. Okay, they slept, ate, rapped means enjoyed music, and dreamt positive. Between them, they had a collection of 5 magazines plus a scrapbook. You all know scrapbook. Okay, then filled with torn tickets to every boxing match they had ever attended, and some clippings of their own. Clippings, so some photos. So both of them were attending different matches. So some of these matches photos they kept. So the tickets, they attended some tournaments, right? So these tickets they even kept with them. So all these show that they were very much interested. They were very much having such a taste for this play. Okay, so that is what actually the point. Now, so till then they were moving like this. What happened after a series of elimination bouts? Bouts meaning boxing tournament, right? They had been informed that they were to meet each other in the division finals that were scheduled for the 7th of August, 2 weeks away, the winner to represent the boys club in the Golden Gloves Championship tournament. So after they attended different tournaments, we all know we have different tournaments before we choose a winner, right? So likewise here also these two friends, they attended different tournaments. Finally they were informed they have to meet each other. and the winner of this match, this winner has to represent Golden Gloves tournament. That is another tournament. So who is to represent Golden Gloves tournament? The winner of these two friends, right? So the contestants of this tournament, actually after winning, so they were to fight each other. In short, that's the meaning. They were to fight each other, right? After they fought between each other, who actually wins? This winner will represent Golden Gloves tournament. So this is the news. This is the information given to them. So then what happened? Let us see. The two boys continued to run together along the East River Drive. But when joking with each other, they both sensed a wall rising between them. See, after they got this news or this information given to them, they sensed there was slowly a wall rising between each other. Actually, a wall here, this wall means actually there was the relationship. We all know they were very close, and everything they did together. So once they got this message, once they got this news, they happened to feel what a type of block, that is wall, slowly growing between each other. You all know what actually it would be, right? In the poem, Robert Frost's poem, we studied that actually the wall realized what the true relationship, the wall between the orchards of neighbors, that actually realized that gave the true relationship. Got it? So that ensured relationship, the wall between these two plots, okay, that is orchards, that realized that ensured the good relationship between neighbor and the poet. So this wall actually slowly, here there came a wall between these two friends, Antonio Cruz and Felix Vargas. So when they were having these types of regular activities, one morning, less than a week before their bout, so Golden Gloves tournament, who is to represent the winner of this tournament, that actually these two friends were fighting each other. So this tournament is going to take place before 1 week. So before 1 week, what happened? They met as usual for their daily workout. Daily workout means actually their exercise, regular exercise. Antonio glanced at Felix, who kept his eyes purposely straight ahead, pursuing from time to time to do some fancy leg work. Fancy leg work, actually, they were okay. Felix had a lot of dilemma, like, right, because he sensed there was happening something, right? So they couldn't imagine actually to separate, or one couldn't think another as an enemy. Suppose you all know, once we want to fight with each other means, or once we want to fight with other, actually one should see other as an opponent or enemy. So here these two contestants, okay, what actually, they were very close friends. So here one cannot imagine to see other as an opponent or enemy. So such thoughts actually confused. That is why Felix, who kept his eyes purpose straight ahead. Straight ahead means a body language, right? Thinking too much, like not having a proper idea. That shows that Felix was totally disturbed with this thought of fighting with his friend Antonio. So that is the reason. So looking straight, right? Then playing with his legs. Then after a mile or so, Felix puffed and said, puffed means actually, you all know, mouth is filled with air. Puffed. So that actually after regular exercise. Okay, what happened here? Puffed and said, let's stop a while, bro. I think we both got something to say each other. So Felix actually said Antonio this way, stop, we have to speak something. Then only we can continue, right? Man, I don't know how to come out with Antonio helped. Oh, it is about our fight you want to say? So Antonio wanted to know from his friend, do you want to speak about our tournament that is to happen coming week? Yes, right. Felix's eyes squinted. The word squinted means actually partly closed. Squinted at the rising orange sun. I have been thinking about it too. Antonio also replied, oh, the same thought actually that was moving in my mind. In fact, since we found out it was going to be me and you. See, that is the problem here. That's the situation. So the tournament is going to be taken place between them. I have been awake at night. That shows that they were having problems. They couldn't sleep. I have been awake at night pulling punches on you, trying not to hurt you. See, giving punches in boxing, you all know, exchanging of punches. So, imaginary punches that actually I was giving. Right, trying not to hurt you because you are my friend, so I cannot actually hurt you. So, how should I give these punches without hurting you? That actually I was thinking. Right, same here. It isn't natural not to think about the fight. I mean, we both are fighters and we both want to win. But only one of us can win. There are no draws in the eliminations. So here there is no there is no draw. Right? We have to win. Both of us want to win. So we have to fight very strongly. Felix tapped Antonio gently on the shoulder. I don't mean to sound like I am bragging. The word bragging means actually speak high about something. So bragging. But I want to win fair and square. Felix said this way. You don't think that I am actually speaking high about myself? I actually want to win in this game fair and square. Fair and square means playing straightly, not having any foul, not playing in a foul way or in an indirect way. So I want to win very fair and square means very clearly. I want to win. Antonio nodded. The word nod means agreed, body language. Right? Nodded quietly. Yeah, we both know that in the ring, the better man wins. That is usually happening. Right? In the ring, who will win? The better man. It is fair. Tony is actually Antonio. When we get into the ring, it has got to be like we never met. So in order to fight very clearly, actually when we come to the ring, we have to see or we have to think like strangers. We have not met each other before. We got to be like two heavy strangers that want the same thing and only one can have it. Right? You understand? So that is actually their thought. They want to behave or they want to speak or they want to play like strangers, total strangers. I know, Tony smiled. So Antonio agreed. No pulling punches, we go all the way. That means they are not going to waste their punches. They will play very correctly and clearly. Right? Yeah, that is right. Listen, Tony, Felix speaks to Antonio. Don't you think it is good idea if we don't see each other until the day of the fight? Here, Felix gives another suggestion. Until the day of fight, we are not going to see each other. So what actually he decided? I am going to stay with my Aunt Lucy in the Bronx. Aunt. So his Aunt Lucy. So Felix wanted to go to his Aunt Lucy. Then Tony this time scratched his nose positively. Again, actually this is going to be the situation. You all know they are going to be separated. So that is why Antonio scratched again, confusion. Okay, body symbol, scratching nose, scratch his nose pensively means in a sad way, gloomy manner, right? Yeah, it would be better for our heads. Okay, for our head means to think it is better. He held out his hand, palm upward. Deal. Are you ready to separate or to go there? That means this is actually going to be. They are going to be separated. If they take this decision, that means they are going to be. So are you ready? Antonio asked to his friend Felix. Okay, deal. Felix lightly slapped open skin. That means Felix actually agreed this way. Ready for some more running? Again, Antonio asked. Now, shall we continue our regular exercise? No, bro. No, brother. Let us cut it here. Now we have to stop. You go on. You can continue. Go on means you all know phrase level. Continue. I like to get things together in my head. I want to make all the things readily. Okay, I have to arrange everything. You aren't worried, are you? Tony asked. So by noticing this, strange mannerisms, Antonio asked his friend Felix, "Are you too much worried?" "No way, man," Felix replied. I just think it is cooler if we split right here. Actually, I want to have this way. That means we have to separate each other right now itself. After the fight, we can get together again like nothing ever happened. Okay, we will have the same, or we will have these types of relationship, the same thing after the tournament. Then the Amigo brothers were not ashamed to hug each other tightly. That means they separated. Okay, actually this is for the sake of their tournament. They wanted to win. So that is why they are going to separate until this tournament is over. Right. So let us see what happens next. Now you have to answer some questions. You have to take your textbook and see first question. What is special about the friendship between Antonio and Felix? Right? What is special about the friendship between Antonio and Felix? Right. So the title itself, Amigo brothers. So what type of friendship they had? Right. You have to write 1 or 2 sentences describing their friendship. Second question, how did they work to achieve the dream? Right. So they together were practicing. You all know. Just write all these points in your notebook. Then third question, what was the wall rising between them? What actually that wall? Here the wall means what? Right. When this wall started to rise, you all know. So just take that sentence and write as an answer. Then fourth question, Felix decided to go to Aunt Lucy. Why? Why Felix decided to go to his aunt's house? For what? You have to answer. Right. Now let us see what happened in the next session. That's all for today. Thank you.